My name is Karen Warner. I'm the founder and CEO of BioCircular. We work to accelerate bio-based innovation here in the Central Valley of California. And today we are having a workshop as part of our joint BioCircular Valley project. This is a project to really advance shared information, data, and tools to accelerate the growth of the circular bioeconomy and make sure that innovators and businesses can use our region's abundant biomass resources to make new, valuable bio-based products. So historically, we, across the food system, local farmers, food processors, we've really focused on the primary food products that come out of our local businesses and activities. So, tomato growers are focused obviously on tomatoes, the beautiful tomatoes that we produce in this region that go, onto our grocery store shelves, but also into the pasta sauces and pizza sauces that are consumed all over North America and the world. We're really excited about the opportunity for that tomato grower and that tomato processor to not only be capturing as much value as possible from those beautiful tomatoes, but also from the tomato pomace. So the mush that's left behind after you make your pasta sauce or your pizza sauce. That tomato pomace historically has not had a lot of value to it. It's really kind of more of a waste processing cost sometimes to processors. You might be able to use some of it for animal feed or for compost, which is great for our soils. And there are a lot of other valuable things that we can do with that pomace, including high value and sustainable chemicals and upcycled food ingredients. And we're really excited about unlocking the full range so that if you're a local tomato farmer or processor, you can get as much value as possible from everything that you produce. And you can limit your waste streams and your costs associated with managing those waste streams. BioCircular Valley is a 5-year project that's really grounded in partnerships. So this project is a collaboration between BioCircular, Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, UC Berkeley, alongside UC Merced, University of California Ag and Natural Resources, UC Davis, and USDA collaborators. So this is a really big, partnership-driven project. And today's workshop was really a collaboration across these partners to bring together a wide range of stakeholders to give us direct input and feedback on the data tools that we're working to develop. So the stakeholders that we brought together today include local farmers and agricultural business leaders, including folks who represent a wide range of crops, from almonds and walnuts to peaches, row crops and vegetables, as well as folks from the dairy industry. We also have processors in the room, so folks like Hilmar Cheese, who do really, really high volume dairy processing, and then folks who work in the supply chain, so businesses that move biomass, some of these side streams from off the field, move things into animal feed, into compost, and really understand the overall supply chain for organic material in our region.
So my name is Craig Arnold. I'm a fourth generation almond, peach, sweet potato, and wine grape grower here in the Central Valley. Today we are at University of Merced at a workshop for BioCirV. The goal is to try and identify bio waste off different farms and different streams coming in from parts of the industry and what we're going to do with them in the future.
Today's workshop is all about hearing directly from the users of the tools that we are building with BioCircular Valley. So we are talking with local farmers, agricultural business leaders, as well as bio-based innovators about what they need to advance their work. So we're figuring out, what is it going to take for local almond growers to get new value for their almond shells or their orchard waste? How do we make sure that grape pomace, which is the mush that's left behind from winemaking in our region, can get turned into new value? And so today is about hearing from the users of the data tools that we are building with BioCircular Valley so that we can build the shared resources that they need in order to advance their own businesses and their own innovations.
Some of the potentials that I saw today really focus more about the organization of what do we do with these products, who has them, how much are there. I really see in the future companies that develop a product or a method to use these products. They're going to need a way to find the product. They're going to need a way to source the product. And right now there's no cohesive mechanism to help align growers, processors, and end users with these products. So I think there's going to be a lot of potential there coming.
So I'm hoping everyone walks away with a new perspective, a new insight into the experience of the day-to-day of someone who has a really different job from their job, and that we all can build a sense of how do we create better linkages, how do we bridge the gaps between science and entrepreneurship and manufacturing and farming and agriculture, and how do we center all of that in what's going to deliver really great benefits for local communities.